Heartily welcome to That Coding Bro, myself Ashish Kumar. Now I will explain you my motto regarding this channel. This is an introduction video of my channel. Why I kept this channel, what is my view on programming, everything I will conclude in this video. Now let's begin the session. Okay, I am thinking that you people are very new to programming or you are an intermediate people who are aware of what is programming. Okay, now I will begin the video. Programming. What is programming? Programming is a way of communicating with the computer. Okay, it is a way of programming. The programming is a way of communicating with the computer. Okay, to do this, we need to learn a language. Like to interact with a human, we need to know human language. Similarly, to communicate with computer, we need to know one language. For example, C, C++, Java, Python. These are different languages which are available. If you are aware of at least one language, you are aware of all other languages. Okay. What we will do in programming? In programming, we have different queries or problems. For that problems, we need to write solution. It is nothing but codes. I will help you in this process. I am this arrow mark. You are with me. This is the question. We need to write the code. I will be with you in this middle journey. Okay. In this middle journey, we have three steps. Listen carefully. These three steps are very important. Wherever you go, if you are aware of these three steps, you can enjoy the programming. Okay. Now let's begin. Think the programming is a game. I will help you to play the game. I will explain the rules, followed by I will tell you how to play the game. I will explain some levels, followed by you can enjoy the remaining levels. You will have the real fun, real enjoyment. Okay. My approach is first problem statement, problem solving, followed by algorithm, followed by program. These are some little new terms. I will explain you whatever the term you got. First of all, problem statement. As I told, we will have some queries, right? Queries are nothing but problems. These are nothing but problems. Now, problem solving. For solving the problem, we need to have a plan, right? Plan. Like you want to go from place A to place AB. Sorry, place A to place B. This is a problem. There is a way like this. There is a way like this. There is a way like this. You will select the best way based on some criteria like here I have some petrol bunk and food court. This road is better. If I have more obstacles, then this road is not preferable. Like this, based on the conditions you have, you will select one road or one route. This is the known as problem solving. You will solve the problem which you have got based on some criteria and based on the things you know. Followed by you will write the plan. First of all, what are you doing here? You are doing one plan, right? I need to go from A to B. First, I need to go to a hotel, followed by petrol bunk, followed by hotel. Like that, you will write all the plan you thought in your brain. This is known as algorithm. Followed by, you will write this algorithm in a systematic way. Like 8 o'clock, I will start. 8:05, I will eat the tiffin. By 8:20, I will fill my fuel. By 8:30, I will reach destination. It within syntax, like syntax form, right? You are mentioning time, every detail. This is known as program. First, what do? We need to take one problem. followed by for that problem, how we solve the problem. We are writing a plan, we are thinking a plan, followed by we are writing that plan, that is known as algorithm, followed by we are writing that plan in a syntactical way, it is known as program. Okay, I will tell you the four approaches. Many use it to tell direct program or 2 followed by 4, but I will tell you 1, 2, 3, 4. I will tell you 4 approaches. Okay, now let's think with an example. I will tell you whatever the programming I have thought up to now. I will tell you to you people in such a way like with an example. Think I need to, I have a problem. What is the problem? Write a program to multiply 3 and 10. Okay, 3 and 10. What I thought in first, what we will do, problem statement, next problem solving, third algorithm, 4 coding program, right? First one is clear. First one is this thing. Write a program to multiply 3 and 10. This is known as problem statement. Now I need to plan. Second step is planning. What is planning? How to do? How to do this problem? How to do 3 star 10, 3 and 10? How to multiply? By using star operator. 3 star 10 is nothing but 30. But in computer it is X, right? In computer it is star. So 3 star 10 is 30. Our result is 30. That's it. This is our plan. By using star operator, I did the problem. Another way, I can write 3 and 10, right? So I need to add 10 3 times, means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. For example, 4 10. Now 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. Correct answer, right? 4 star 10, 40. Both are right. This is one method or one plan. Now this is another plan, which is easy. For me, this one is easy because if I give some 1000 times 10, now I need to 10 plus 10 plus and so on 1000 times. Is it easy? But this way, 1000 star 10, easy, right? So I choose best one, easiest one. So I thought this is easy, so I selected this one. Okay, now first step is clear. We understood the question. Now next, problem solving. We solved the problem and used the approach star approach. By using star, we calculated multiplication. Next, third, what is third step? We need to write whatever the thing we did in statements. That is nothing but algorithm, human understandable language. We need to write in human understandable language. For now, all people are familiar with English, so I am selecting English. See, algorithm. Algorithm is in our step 3. Yes. First, what we need to do, we need to start the process. We need to start the plan. In plan, what we need to do, we need to store result. Result is equals to 3 star 10, right? 3 star 10. And we need to print the result. The result is value of result. What is the value in result? 3 star 10 means in result we has 30, 3 star 10. The output will become 30. After that, stop. We reach a destination because we multiplied 3 and 10. So stop the process, end. Now you people think, why print? Why print? Human people will talk. For example, I am communicating with you people. You are in front of me, then you would have talk. But for computer, for giving input, we will use keyboard, mouse. But computer, how will speak with us? It uses screen, right? To print on the screen, we need to use print. Print. Okay. For that, the print is clear. Now we wrote the algorithm. See, algorithm very simple. Start the process. Set result is equals to 3 star 10. Print the result is followed by the value of result. So end the process. That's it. What it will print? What it will print? The result is colon 30 because they told to print the result is followed by the value of result. What is the value of result? 30. So the output is this thing. Write a program to multiply 3 and 10. This program multiplied 3 and 10, right? Now this is algorithm. Now it is understandable by human. Now we need to make this to understand by computer. Then we need to use some languages called Java, C, C++, Python. Out of this all the languages, think C. This is a route map where C is very basic for all the things. C++ is developed using C and remaining whatever the languages we got, it is developed from C++. So I thought all people are familiar with C language. So I am teaching whatever the programs in C language. Okay. And don't think that you people are from Python or you people are from Java. For all the people, first step, problem statement is same. Second step, plan. Nothing but problem solving. First one is problem statement is same. Next, problem solving same. Third one, algorithm means written procedure of the plan is same. Only fourth step, nothing but program changes, but the algorithm is same. So why fear? Why doubt? And nowadays there are many tools. You can use ChatGPT. Write this algorithm here and tell, write this algorithm. See, before page you have written algorithm, right? 3 star 10 store result is equals to 3 star 10. You write all the thing followed by you write some C program for above algorithm. The chat GPT will write. If you want in C, it will write in C. If you want in Java, then you need to, in place of C, you need to write Java. If you want Python, here you write Python. It will write Python program. So don't focus on step 4. Focus on step 1. Step 2, very main, followed by step 3. See, it is a 5-star step. It is a 3-star step. It is 2-star, it is 1-star, because you need to find a procedure to solve a problem, followed by you should be able to write how these 2 steps are possible when you understand the question. See, last step is very easy. Any people can write the program if you know the procedure how to write the program or how to solve the problem. Okay, I will give you a proof. See now, see, write a program to multiply 3 and 10. The algorithm is result equal to 3 star 10. First step is start. Now followed by print the result is comma value at the result 30. Stop. This is algorithm, right? This is algorithm. See, first one is C program. Some syntax. I told that in program we need to follow syntax. See, int result is equals to 3 star 10. Print the result is result, the value at result. The program will print as usual the result is 30. Okay, now come to C++. See, again result is 3 star 10. See out the result is comma the result. It will also print same thing and it will stop. See, in Java, this is Java. Again, see, result is equals to 3 star 10, system dot out dot print, the result is result. It will print the result is 30 again. In See, this is in Python. Okay, Python. See, result equal to 3 star 10. Print the result is result. It will also print the same thing. Whatever the language it is, whatever the language it is, the answer is same, because as I told, for every program the destination is same. The algorithm is very important. If you know the algorithm, you can write the same program in C language. See, whatever the step, result is equals to 3 star 10. Total result is 30. Every language same, syntax changes, but the motive of the program is same. The motive of the program is same. Every people starts with C programming. So I thinking that every people know C. So I will teach the answers in C program. I think you people got the thing. First step, second step, third step are same. Only fourth step is different, but these three are very important, not fourth step. Okay. So focus on the things of first step 1, step 2, step 3. You will get the things. I will explain from brief. You can watch my videos and you can watch my comments. Before watching my content, watch the comments. You can see the viewers' thoughts and their happiness after watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. All the things are important, but double star thing is first comment. Comment. Notify me what the thing you are facing. If you are happy, tell happy. If you are sad, keep sad. I will change myself. I will come with new content. So feel free to reply. And if you have any doubt, you ping me. Okay. And if you want any question to be answered, you can ping me. No doubts. I think I cleared many of your doubts. Why I started my programming channel and how I teaches, what is my knowledge, and whatever the languages possible to teach and which language I will teach. Mostly I will teach in C and Python. You people comment in video. Based on your comments, I will teach in C or Python. Both are fine, because nowadays all people are coming with Python, but it is better to start your journey with C programming. I am thinking that I have cleared all your doubts. Ping more questions in comments. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And it is not a class. If it is a class, I will teach the same thing for 2 to 3 times. I will repeat it, but it is a YouTube video, right? So you people once watch again if you not get anything clear. Hoping you people have enjoyed the session. Thank you. Goodbye.